Good evening, students. Today we will learn group verbs. First, very important for your exam, for school exam, competitive exam, all type of exams. First, cut down. Cut down in Bengali it is said khoroj komano. In Hindi it is called ghatana. In English it is called cartel. Okay, just write it down in your exercise book, please. Number two, cut out for. Cut out for in Bengali it is called उपयुक्त. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? उपयुक्त. In English it is called suitable. Number three, cut off. Cut off in Bengali it is said বিচ্ছিন্ন. In Hindi বিচ্ছিন্ন करना. In English separate. In number four, cut in. Cut in Bengali it is said बाधा सृष्टि करना. In Hindi बाधा डालना. In English interrupt. Number two, turn up. Turn up in Bengali it is called उपस्थित हवा. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? उपस्थित होना. In English it is called appear. Number two, turn down. In Bengali प्रत्याख्यान करा. In English, in हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? माना करना. In English reject. Number three, turn out. There are two meanings. First, in Bengali उत्पन्न करा. हिंदी में बोलते हैं उत्पादन करा. In English produce. और दो नंबर टू जो बी और एक मीनिंग होता है इन 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 बंगाली में बोलते हैं उसके जमायत हवा. टर्न आउट. हिंदी में जमा होना. इन इंग्लिश में कम एंड गैदर फॉर ए पब्लिक इवेंट. नंबर थ्री, सी ऑफ. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन बंगाली इट इज कॉल्ड विदा एंड दवा. हिंदी में विदा करना. accompany इंग्लिश में इन इंग्लिश accompany a person who is leaving to their point of departure. We go to the airport to see of someone, okay, to present at the time of our friend's departure, like that. Number two, see through. What is the meaning of see through in Bengali? স্বরূপ বুঝতে পারা. কোনো কিছু ভিতরে মানে কোনো গোপন অবসন্ধি उसे हम समझ सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये हिंदी में कहता है. इन इंग्लिश इट इज कॉल्ड perceive the true nature of. Perceive the true nature of or understand the true nature of something. So you are trying to hide something. You have a secret plan. You are trying to hide something, but I have understood your secret plan. So I can say I have seen through your plan. Very important, carry out. In Bengali it's called sampanno kara. ठीक है. In Hindi, in English it's called put in effect. हिंदी में क्या बोलता है? अंजाम देना. ठीक है, कैरी आउट का हिंदी क्या होता है? अंजाम देना. नंबर टू, कैरी अवे. इन बेंगली इट इज कॉल्ड आत्महरा करे तोला. ठीक है, ये हिंदी में ये उसके हिंदी का यह मीनिंग होता है. इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? टू लूज सेल्फ कंट्रोल इन ओवर एक्साइटमेंट. Number four, set aside. Set aside. Set aside. बातिल. रात हिंदी in Bengali is called batil. In Hindi, Rat karna. In English, cancel. So set aside equal to cancel. Set in Bengali, आरंभ हुआ, शुरू होना हिंदी में, start of an unpleasant event. Set in something starts, we represent something which starts, but it is not a comfortable one. It is not a pleasant one. Okay, just like the winter has set in. Set out in Bengali, it is called jatra. In Hindi, is suffer. In English, journey. Number 4, set on or upon. In Bengali, আক্রমণ করিতে उत्तेजित करा. ओके, हिंदी में आक्रमण के लिए उत्तेजित करना. In English, incite to attack. Number 5, set up. Set up means in Bengali स्थापन करा. In Hindi, स्थापित करना. In English, establish. Next, hold. Hold in Bengali it is called সংযত. In Hindi, नियंत्रित करना. In English, restrain. Number 2, hold back. গোপন করা, छुपाना. Conceal. In English is called conceal. Hold on. Hold on in Bengali it is called লেগে থাকা. In हिंदी में कहते हैं डाटे रहना. In English, hang on. Hold out. Hold out. Hold out. Hold out in Bengali called প্রতিহিত করা. In Hindi, প্রতিহিত करना. In English, resist. Hold up. Hold up in Bengali called বিলম্বিত. In Bengali called বিলম্বিত. In Hindi, বিলম্বিত. In English, delayed. Another meaning ছিনতাই বন্দুকের ভয় দেখিয়ে, যেমন কোনো ধরো কোনো একটা সাপোজ someone wants to rob you, so he put a gun in your head and take all the things from you. This is called hold up. ठीक है, इसे हिंदी में यह बोलते हैं लूट. बंदूक दिखाकर लूट. In English, it's called rob at gunpoint. This is the last one and very, very important. Very important for all your school exams and also competitive exams. Number 1, look into. In Bengali, अनुसंधान करना, अनुसंधान करा. In Hindi, छानबीन करना. In English, investigate. Number 2, look after. In Bengali it is called দেখাশোনা করা. In Hindi, देखभाल करना. In English, take care of. Number 3, look down or upon. তুচ্ছ তাচ্ছিল্য করা. In Bengali, in Hindi, छोटा करना. In English, belittle. Number 4, look forward to. Look forward to in Bengali, प्रत्याशा करा. In Hindi, आशा करना. In English, expect. Number 5, look at. In Bengali it is called विवेचना, विवेचना. In Hindi, विचार करना. In English, consider. Number 6, look out. Very important. सतर्क हुआ, चौकसी करना. Just means alert. Be careful. Suppose you are going to cross a railway platform, a railway track, then you must look. You must be careful in crossing the road, in crossing the track. This is called lookout. Number 7, look up. Look up means खोजा in Bengali means कोनो किचुते खोजा. ठीक है, इसका हिंदी मीनिंग यह होता है, what is the difference between look, so what is the true meaning of look up? Search for something in something. So look up and look in, look for, they are, these are two, this look up and look for, they are very similar. The simple meaning is search, but there is a difference in searching. In look up, search something in something. Suppose you want to find out a word in a dictionary, so you will say, so look up the word in the dictionary, search a word meaning in a dictionary, or search a phone number in a directory. Look for means same in Bengali, it's called खोजा, ढूंढना हिंदी में, English search, but what is the difference? Very important. We use look up when you know where it is. लुकअप का इस्तेमाल तभी होता है जब आपको मालूम होता है जिससे आप ढूंढ रहे हैं वो कहाँ पर है. सो यू नो द मीनिंग, you know the word. Suppose I say you look up a word in look up a word meaning in a dictionary. So you know where the word is in a dictionary. So you search the dictionary. आपको मालूम है जो वर्ड का मीनिंग कहाँ पे मिले, इसे बोलते हैं लुक अप. When you know where it is, very important. When you know where it is, but use look for when you don't know where it is. यूज लुक फॉर व्हेन यू डोंट नो वेयर इट इज़. इसका मतलब होता है लुक फॉर का तभी इस्तेमाल करोगे जब आपको मालूम नहीं है जो चीज़ आप ढूंढ रहे हो वो कहाँ पर है. तो लुक, प्लीज लुक फॉर, इफ आई से लुक फॉर द कीज, सो यू डोंट नो वेयर द की इज. हम लोग को पता नहीं है की कहाँ पर है, तब हम लुक फॉर का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Search something in something. Search a meaning in a dictionary. ठीक है, search something in something. Look up. We know where we can find it, but use look for when we don't know where we will find it. Okay. And another one is very important for competitive exam and error correction. Look forward to. After look forward to, always use ing. Okay, very important. Look forward to plus verb ing form always. Example, I look forward to meeting you. Okay, ing, always use ing after look forward to. Look forward to means, what is the meaning of look forward to? Look forward means expect for something good, and always use ing form of verb. Look forward to plus verb ing form always. I look forward to meeting you, not meet you. Okay, I look forward to meet you. Wrong. I look forward to meeting you. Okay. So if you think you will be benefited and you will watch my videos regularly, then only subscribe. Okay, otherwise you don't. In YouTube, passive subscriber are useless. Those who are interested in learning English, those who have a intention of getting high marks, please subscribe, otherwise don't. Okay, so please write it down. So cut, which language you prefer, you write it down in your language. So cut down cartel. Okay, if you are Bengali student, write kharaj kamano. If you Hindi students, call write ghatana. Okay.